Welcome to Endone, guys. This channel is going to bring you the latest news, tips, and tricks to help you make the most of your Android devices. Today's video is about what to do when your Android phone yellow screen. Here's how an Android phone user describes the issues from the forum. I just bought an Android phone and just set it up. During the setup, there was no signal. After the setup was completed, the screen turned yellow. I tried everything I could think of, but still can't make it go away. Has anyone encountered the same problem of screen is yellow on Android phone? Can anyone tell me how to fix yellow screen on Android phone? We understand that you might be facing the same problems when you reach here. No need to panic when an Android phone screen suddenly turns yellow. To save you out, we'll explain why and how to fix the problem to get your device working again. Cause 1. Low battery. The solution is to charge the device. Low battery can cause a variety of different problems, such as yellowish tint on Android phone's display, green screen, and other issues. In addition to low battery, problems with the battery itself can also cause Android phone screen as yellow. To check whether it is a battery or low battery problem, plug your Android phone into a power source and wait for at least an hour. After that, turn your phone back on to see if the Android phone screen goes yellow problem is fixed. Cause 2. Poor screen contact. The solution is to press the phone screen from all sides. Poor contact on the phone screen can also cause the Android phone screen becomes yellow and the screen cannot be displayed normally. If the problem is caused by poor contact, you can gently press the screen from all sides to reconnect the internal components. If you use a protective case on your phone, remove it and then press the screen and phone from all sides. But this is not a permanent solution. If it is determined that the connection is loose or the contact is poor, you will eventually need to take the phone to an after-sales service center and have them disassemble the phone and fix the connection. Cause 3. Software or temporary glitch. The solution is to hard reboot. When an app in your Android device has a problem or a temporary glitch, these problems and temporary glitches may also cause the Android phone screen turns yellow. A hard reboot is one of the best ways to eliminate them, and it is also very simple. Just press the hard reboot key combination. To let you know how hard reboot works, let's take a look at this simple operation step. To force restart a Samsung Galaxy, Oppo or Vivo phone, press and hold the power button and volume down button simultaneously for about 10 to 15 seconds. When you see the brand logo, release the button. To force restart a Google Pixel smartphone, press and hold the power button for about 10 to 15 seconds. When you see the brand logo, release the button. To force restart a Huawei, OnePlus or Xiaomi, press and hold the power button and volume up button simultaneously for about 10 to 15 seconds. When you see the brand logo, release the button. To force restart a phone with a removable battery, just pull out the back cover, take out the battery, wait for a while, put it back and press the power button to boot the phone. Wait a few seconds. The Android phone yellow screen of death should disappear and the device will function normally. Cause 4. Application conflict. The solution is to start safe mode. When there is a conflict in the application, it will cause the Android device to run incorrectly or fail. The Android phone screen is yellow problem may be caused by a conflict. So you need to start the phone in safe mode to troubleshoot the problem. Safe mode will disable all third-party applications. If the see yellow screen on Android phone problem does not exist in safe mode, it may be a problem with the recently updated or installed application. What you need to do is to troubleshoot the problematic application and delete it. Next, please join me in trying to boot your Android phone into safe mode. Turn off your Android phone. Press and hold the power button and the volume up button until you see recovery mode. In the options given in the menu, use the volume button and the power button to select safe mode. Then, your Android phone will boot into safe mode. If it shows the safe mode message at the bottom of the screen and the Android phone appears normal in safe mode, it is the app that caused the Android phone screen to turn yellow all of a sudden. To solve the yellow screen problem, find the app that caused the Android phone screen as yellow and delete it. Once you're done, press and hold the power button and tap restart to restart your phone back to normal mode. After the reboot is complete, see if your Android phone now appears normal. Cause 5. Unknown error or malfunction. The solution is to reset the phone. If all the above solutions are ineffective, the screen has a faded yellow tint on Android phones still exists. This means that there are errors or malfunctions that are difficult to check or troubleshoot. However, we cannot accurately locate the problem ourselves, so it is necessary to reset the phone. However, resetting the phone will clear all data in the Android phone. If you have data you need, please back up the data before resetting. To reset an Android phone, please try the following steps. Let your Android phone shut down. Use a cord to connect the device to a Windows laptop or desktop. Now, press some buttons to enter recovery mode, in which you can perform a reset without the disturbance of any random reboots. In a Samsung Galaxy phone, press and hold the power button, volume up button, and home button simultaneously until the Samsung logo appears. Use the volume buttons to navigate to the Wipe Data, Factory Reset option and use the power button to select it. Then, choose Yes to trigger the reset process. In a Google Pixel phone, press and hold the power button and volume down button simultaneously until the Android mascot appears. Use the volume buttons to highlight recovery mode and use the power button to select it. When the Android robot with a red exclamation mark appears, press power button plus volume up button. Then, use volume buttons and power button to select Wipe Data, Factory Reset option to trigger the reset process. In a Huawei or Honor phone, press and hold the power button and volume up button simultaneously until the Huawei logo appears. Then, use the volume buttons to navigate to the Wipe Data, Factory Reset option and use the power button to select it. Next, select Yes to trigger the reset process. Wait for the reset to complete. After completion, check again if the Android phone yellow screen issue is resolved. That's the end of the video. If you still have questions about your device, type them down in the comments. If it helps you Android phone yellow screen of death fix, feel free to give this video a like, and also comment below to tell us which method works. Alright now, don't forget to subscribe to Endone and turn the notification bell on to stay tuned with our latest uploads. Thanks for watching this video and hope you have a good day.